Hey friends, we just picked up this starter set. It's a 3-disc disc golf set from Dynamic Discs, which is a great company. We're definitely interested in checking out this starter set to see if it works good for those getting into the sport. Let's open the box up. All right, inside we're going to find 3 discs, which includes a driver, a mid-range, and a putter. So again, perfect little small quiver to have for those getting into disc golf. Now there's also a fun secret addition that is added in these boxes. We'll show you that in just a second. First, we have our driver. This is a stable fairway driver, meaning it's going to fly primarily straight. There's going to be a little bit of turn based off of if you're throwing it forehand or backhand. But as you can see, the speed, glide, and turn numbers make this a fairly even driver. But as you can see, the flight plate has a little bit of a curve. Again, you're going to be able to find it fairly easily based off of the color scheme. Okay, so out here at Kincaid Disc Golf Course, it's absolutely gorgeous. You can see a beautiful summer day here in Alaska. I'm going to be throwing the Escape here first. You can see the disc golf basket straight ahead. We really want to try to get this thing as straight as possible with a good solid throw. Now next up, again, in a really nice, easy to find color, is the Truth. Now this guy, again, is a stable mid-range, meaning you want it to fly nice and straight as well. Not gonna have too much curve to it. But again, you can see the flight plate is slightly different. It doesn't have as wide of an edge. Again, feels really nice on the hand. Overall, these discs, by the way, feel really good. They don't feel chintzy. There are the numbers. Again, as you can see, it's got really low turn and fade numbers. Again, you're just looking for something that flies true and straight. We're going slightly uphill. It's a fairly close hole. So again, I'm thinking the mid-range off of the tee pad is gonna work okay. Let's give her a try. As you can see, it fades just the very, very end, but pretty straight flying little mid-range. I like it. Now, finally, we have our putter. Now this is the Judge. And as you can see, it has an even different flight plate on the bottom here. Now, again, these are made just kind of to float, to really go nice and even and straight, and they're slow for putting. So you can really dial in your accuracy within that 20 to 30 feet zone. So this is the Judge putter. Again, you just want something that flies nice and floaty, straight. I'm gonna do a nice, easy, 10-footer here, something super close. And feels good. It's a great little putter. Now here is our secret little addition. This is a mini. Now obviously you can play mini disc golf with these. The baskets are nice and small, but what we use these primarily for is a marker. This allows you to put this on the edge of your disc. It marks the spot. You can pick the disc up, change it out in your bag. So there you go, friends. That is the triple pack by Dynamic Discs. It's meant for beginners or marketed for beginners. Honestly, these are solid discs. I would say anybody who's just starting out all the way up to an intermediate level would have a great time. Again, you have a driver, the mid-range, and the putter. It's basically everything you need really to get started in the sport and really enjoy yourself. Thanks for watching. We got a bunch more content coming up, so definitely subscribe. Give the video a thumbs up, and we'll see you again on the next one.